Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. Begin by mastering the fundamental concepts like bonding, hybridization, and molecular geometry. A strong foundation here is crucial. Next, dedicate significant time to learning organic nomenclature and recognizing all common functional groups. This will be your language for the entire course, so ensure you are very comfortable with it. Once you have the basics down, focus on reaction mechanisms. Don't just memorize, draw out each step to truly understand electron movement. Use flashcards for reagents, their functions, and specific reaction conditions. Consistent practice is key. Work through many problems from your textbook and other resources every single day. Now, challenge yourself with synthesis problems. These require you to combine multiple reactions to achieve a target molecule. Try retrosynthesis, working backward from the product to the starting materials. Also, integrate spectroscopy, like NMR and IR, into your studies. Understanding these techniques is vital for identifying compounds and solving complex problems. Consistent review is essential to retain the vast amount of information in organic chemistry. Regularly revisit older topics to keep them fresh in your mind. Consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others and working through problems collaboratively can significantly deepen your understanding. And for more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. It's a fantastic tool for accessing your textbooks and notes anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.